I'm Soledad Gamarra. I work at the project Lithium at Eramet at Salta. I work as a process engineer there. We extract lithium from the brine. We are very efficient in precipitating lithium carbonate from the brine we obtain from the salar. I made a PhD and give lessons at the university. I like the idea of applying the things that I studied directly in the industry. In my new role as process engineer in the project, I'm working with a team and we are challenging the process. So we analyze the mass balances, the heat balances of the complete plant in order to improve the consumptions that the plant is requiring. The plant will be ready in 2024 and we will be producing 24,000 tons of lithium carbonate. My job is connected with other people, so I work at offices at Salta and I have to travel sometimes to site. The camp life is very interesting. It's like a very small town. The landscape coming here is very beautiful. I try to go to the office by bicycle. I really enjoy doing that because I feel like I'm more fresh when I arrive to the office to work. We know that we are in a transition of power energy at global scale, and we know that, for example, transport must be electrical. I'm proud of being part of a company that is going to produce to support that change in the world.